Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie for those who are new, and today we are going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing and review. I did get my box the ending of last week, but tons was going on. I wasn't feeling so well, so yeah, I'm still not feeling good. I went out last night, so it was pretty hectic, but a good old time, that's for sure. But yeah, so I did get the box. I want to do a review for you guys before it gets super late and no one cares anymore, but you know, I still do. So yeah, let's just jump into December's box unboxing and review. So this month obviously is December, and it is officially the last box that I'm going to be getting for the year of 2019. I have been a Boxycharm subscriber since January of this year, and I do have some tea. So before I do get into the tea, I want to review the box, how I feel about the products that we got this month, and then I'll spill it all, okay? So this month, the theme is whimsy, which is so fitting because obviously it is December, you know, the Christmas spirit, and it just fits. So yeah, I hope the camera's picking up the card because the card is so pretty. It has like this note, like it looks like it's a poem or a letter, so it's very personalized. Like I'm getting a personalized type of vibe off of it, but it's so nice. And quickly jumping into the first product, like I don't know what's in here. The first thing that we got this month is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale eyeshadow palette in the Little Red Riding Hood like edition or something. I believe there's two of them, but I got this one this month, and I am wearing the eyeshadows on my eyes today. It says that inspired by the classic tale, this storybook mini eyeshadow was created exclusively for Boxycharm and is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. We've combined stunning metallics and velvety matte eyeshadows to help you create your happily ever after look. The retail price for this eyeshadow palette is $35, so that's already more than I paid for the box. But I did use these three shades right here to create this look. I didn't use any other shades. I would like to use these other shades to create another look with it. The eyeshadows were pigmented, but not like super pigmented where I was like, oh my god, you know, I've definitely had better. But it was very nice. I was able to create a look and blend out the shadows together and everything like that. But it was not something that I'm completely dying over, you know what I mean? But it is very cute. I get the concept, you know what I mean? It's stunning. The only thing is that I wish that the packaging itself wasn't as bulky as it is. It could have been definitely maybe cut in half and we still would have gotten the point of it being a book, you know what I mean? But that's just me being picky. But this was very cute. The next product that we got was the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. This is very nice. I loved it. I applied it underneath my foundation before I did anything, kind of as my skin prep, and it was really nice. I do say though, going a light hand is key because going too much, I felt like it was a bit too oily for me, you know what I mean? But that's just personal preference. It says a luxury and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines, wrinkles, leaving your skin with a luminous glow. And the retail price for this is $79. But this is really nice. I just suggest a light hand when applying this product because if you apply too much, I feel like it just does get too greasy or oily, and that's not for me because I really do have already oily skin and greasy skin. So yeah, just light-handedly. I'm gonna continue to use this to definitely let you know how I feel about it. But underneath the foundation, I did see it leaving my skin luminous, and it applied nicely because my foundation just sat beautifully on top of it. Like it was just so nice. It left my skin looking very glowy, just perfect, but something that I definitely have to keep using. The next product that I did get is the Ciate Marble Light Illuminous Blusher, which is right here. It says, add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with a marble light illuminating blush formulated without tilak, This lightweight buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. The retail price for this is $26. The shade that I did get is the shade Dusk. This blush is super pretty, and just like the formula said, it is a buildable formula, and it's very pretty. It's super pretty, and it did leave my skin looking very luminous, where if I didn't want to put highlight, I didn't have to, because my skin looked so glowy with just this blusher on top. It was so nice. But of course, you know, I did have to put highlight, but it was so nice. So for those days where you kind of want to run out the door, or light makeup days, this would be so perfect. It's so nice, and I did love the shade. Gotta continue to use it, but super nice, and the formula was lovely. And the next product that I got this month is the Serafina Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria. I think that's what it's called. A revitalizing, I can't even speak today, revitalizing lip polisher infused with a blend of chamomile, wisteria, and honeysuckle to help keep your lips exfoliated and protected and silky smooth. The retail price for this was $24, and I did use it before I applied my makeup. It's super nice. It smells so nice as well, but this is super nice. It has these sugars in it, so obviously, so you can scrub your lips, and it can just smooth out your lips and get rid of all the dead skin and everything. It's super nice and lightweight, and it smells heavenly, so heavenly. I love this. It left my my lips very silky and smooth. And the last product that I got this month is the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. It says style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit, designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift and sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and flat brow brush. And the retail price for this is $30. The one that I got is in the shade Dark, obviously, and it's so nice. Like, I normally don't use powdered brow products to do my brows. I always use pomades, a brow pencil, but never powdered products. I do have an e.l.f. product that I do tend to use from time to time, and it does have a powder in there, but I don't use it that often. But I feel like that might change just because of this product. This was amazing. I absolutely fell in love with it. I loved mixing both of these shades together to do to fill in my brows, create that little angle. This little cream did absolutely a lovely job carving out my brows and sculpting. It was so nice. And the brow gel, I'm still testing it out, but it did set my brows, and my brows do not feel crunchy or flaky, because you know I do not like that. It was so nice. And I did use the brush as well, and it was super nice, super easy. I kind of thought that I was not gonna like it because of how small it was, but it was actually pretty convenient and super easy to use. I like this product because if you're traveling, you can throw this in your travel bag and keep it going. You don't need to take a bunch of different items with you. It's all in one, and I absolutely love it. I think this and the blush were my absolute favorite out of the box this month. So yeah, I want to let you know how much the retail price for all these items were, like the whole value of my box. Obviously, you know, I paid $25 this month. Of everything was $194 for everything, and I only paid $25. So that was really good. Obviously a steal. So let's jump into the tea, because that's basically gonna feed into my next dilemma that I would like to talk to you guys about. And I would obviously want you guys to chime in, so please comment down below as we are talking together. So basically, I've had Boxycharm since January, and it's been a nice experience. Haven't had any bad experiences with Boxycharm. It's been lovely. The only thing is that I feel like, because I'm getting boxes every month, I find it hard to use the products that I got that month, because I'm already, you know, once I get into one box and the next box comes in, now I'm feeding into those products, and then I'm using those products, then the next box comes in, and then I forget about these products. It's like, you get what I'm saying. It's where I'm kind of like overwhelmed, you know what I mean, kind of. So I was thinking on canceling my subscription, only because not every month am I super excited about each and every product that I get, because half of the products I don't end up using, or if I did use it, I don't like it, so I end up decluttering it and all that. So I did find out by another YouTuber. Her channel is Makeup by Mariela. If you don't know who she is, go check her out. Love her videos, love her shop my stashes, everything. Like, she's so nice, so beautiful, love her. But she did give me a little tea and told me about a Facebook page that basically offers sell the products that are in the Boxycharm that certain month, and you can kind of pick and choose the items that you want out of that box without having to get the whole box. You know what I mean? Like, so everything's kind of, and it's also, I believe she said it was kind of retail down as well, so it was reasonably priced where you can buy it. So if I was interested in maybe an eyeshadow, instead of everything else in the box, I can only just get the eyeshadow and not have to get everything. You get what I mean? So that was something that I was also looking into, to try to save me some money, and also to kind of just buckle down on makeup, because I feel like my collection is outgrowing me at this point, and it's just getting a little crazy. So yeah, so that was just kind of like the tea for the month. I'm still on the fence about it, because I still love makeup. I'm super obsessed, and I just can't say no. But I do want to be more responsible and kind of just, you know, figure it out properly, because half of the time, most of the products I don't end up using. So it is somewhat of a waste, but I do give it away, and someone else does get better use of it. So it's not a complete waste. So yeah, so that is just my dilemma for this month. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed my Boxycharm review, and seeing everything that I had in my box, and obviously hearing out a little bit of my tea. So if you guys want to chime in also on everything that I talked about, let me know what your guys' feedbacks, or how you guys feel about what I just said. If you guys agree with me, if you guys don't, you know, I just want to know. So yeah, guys, if you did enjoy, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and I'll definitely see you guys on my next one. Bye.